Hello everyone, let's learn how to automate TradingView indicator. We have also put the video tutorials for some specific components so you can watch them from here also. Firstly, you have to select your TradingView strategy or indicator. So people ask how we can know that we are using indicators or strategies. So go to TradingView and here in Strategy Tester if it shows a backtesting report so it is a strategy, otherwise, it is going to be indicator. So let's understand the indicators first. Here, it will ask you for the TradingView symbol. Here, it is optional, but I would suggest that if you know your symbol, you should use your symbol. It will help you to understand your take profit and stop loss based on your contract or symbol. It is mandatory in the case when you are using stop loss type as ticks or total loss. Here, I will select NQH5. Now it will ask me for entry order details. So here are three types of alerts: buy, sell, and close. So in case of a buy alert, what would happen? Let's say, whenever buy trade comes, and if I have any open position of either buy or sell, it is going to get closed. And if there is any open order, it is going to square of that position, it will cancel the open order, and then it will enter into the new position. Same for the sell. In the case of close, what happens is that it will not enter into the new trade, it will only square of the previous position. Next is the entry order type. There are three types: limit order, market order, and stop order. In the case of limit, so let's say I put here 10 seconds, and if it did not get filled in 10 seconds, so it will get cancelled out. And if you don't want to put anything, just put 0 or keep it blank. If the order is not filled in that particular time, then it will get cancelled. So now we will go with the market order. Now, we will come to the quantity section. Here are two types of quantity type. One is quantity and another one is risk percentage. So in the case of quantity, it is absolute quantity. So when buy or sell comes, it will enter a fixed quantity. Another is a risk percentage. So if I want to risk 1% of my account value, so in this case, stop loss is mandatory, because then only you will know how much you are risking. Let me show you the calculation. Let's say my account value is $1,000, and I place a 10% risk percentage, so 10% of $1,000 is $100. So my entry price is $100, and stop loss filled at 95. So if we take example of NQ, then its lot size is 20. So basically I am taking $5 risk. So the calculation goes like 20 into 5, which is 100. So whenever I trade for one contract here, it will take $100 risk, based on my stop loss. So 100 divided by 100 is 1, so it will place the trade for one contract. Another example would be, if I want to place a 1% risk percentage. So 1% of 1,000 is $10, and $10 divided by 100, it comes less than 1. So, in this case, it is not going to place the trade. Now, we will go to risk settings. So if you select here no, you don't need to do anything. Just select the account, and it will generate the alert for you. But if you select yes, then it will ask you for take profit or stop loss types. So here are 5 types that we support: point in dollar, percentage, price, ticks, total profit or loss. So, let's learn them one by one. Here are the calculations for the particular things, but let us understand it. So here, we have set an entry stop loss in USD for 1 point. So it is calculating as entry stop loss point is 1. The lot size of NQ is 20, and the quantity we have taken is 2. Therefore, 1 into 20 into 2 is equal to 40. So this is all about the point in dollar. Now, let's learn about percentage. So, let's say your entry fill price is $100, and you set stop loss in percentage as 1%. So it will calculate the 1% of $100. If we set stop loss as 1 and take profit as 2. So stop loss will get placed on 99. And take profit will be placed at 102. Then, next comes the price. In price, we allow you to pass your TradingView variable. Some people ask us if then can pass any variable. So you cannot pass any other variable if we go through their documentation. Here are some variables mentioned which are only allowed to be passed here. You only can pass from plot_0 to plot_19, and you have to make changes in your Pine script to add the plot. So whatever variable you pass first, it will be accessible as plot_0. And the next one will be at plot_1. Next comes ticks. So, let's say I place 10 ticks stop loss and 20 ticks take profit. So if we look for NQ, the tick size in 0.25. So the calculation goes like 10 ticks stop loss we passed. 2 is the quantity. 0.25 is the tick size for 1 tick, and 20 is the lot size. So stop loss for 2 contract is going to be $100. And same for the take profit. So the take profit will be at $200. The last one is total profit or loss. So if I place $10 for 2 contracts, the stop loss is going to be $20. Here is the calculation for it. So that's how all these things are going to work. Now if you want to place break even, so just come to break even settings. Then break-even type is also taken from here only. So here you have to enter the profit amount for break-even, how much profit in your favor before moving stop-loss to break-even price. So if we place $100, so in this case, how much point movement is going to be there is calculated here. If we check it after generating the alert, here you can see break-even is at 5. So whenever your profit moves in 5 points in your favor, then your stop-loss is going to move into break-even price. The break-even price should always be less than the take profit. Now we will learn about trailing stop-loss. Here, you have to select yes. Then it will ask you if you want to give trail value in points or ticks. So, let us go with the points. I place 5 here, 10 here, and 15 here. So what would it do? If we go for trail stop-loss value, as we put here 5, and let's say your entry price is $100, so your stop-loss is going to be placed at 95. Now it's time for trail trigger value. This is basically used for activating the trigger. As we have put here 10, whenever the market moves $10 in your favor, then the trail is going to get activated. Let's say our entry price is $100. So when it moves to 110, then the trail gets activated. But this works for the first time only. And as the market moves $10 in our favor, previously our stop loss is at 95, which then moves to 105. Now let's see for trail frequency value, here, as we have put 15. So it will trigger the trail after every $15 movement. As our trigger got activated at 110, then after $15, mean at 125 it will trigger the trail. Now, the stop loss here will maintain the $5 distance as the market moves. Now let's see for the ticks. So let's understand with the same values. If we talk about the NQ, the tick size for NQ is 0.25, so according to this, 10 ticks means 2.5. Let's say our entry got filled at 100, so when it will move $2.5 in your favor, then your trail will get activated. So if the market moves to 102.4, then nothing will happen, and when it moves to 102.5, the trail got activated. And here, after every 15 tick movement in your favor, the trail will get triggered. Here, as you put in the value, it will show you the calculations. Here we have video tutorials for those things, so you can watch it. Now let's understand how to create an alert. I will click on Generate Alert, and then it will ask me for a Tradovate account. Then it will show me this pop-up. So here we have to select on Copy Code. If this pop-up does not come, so don't worry. The code is displayed over here, you can copy it from here also. Then you have to go on TradingView. Then, click on the plus icon. You have to select your symbol. Then, you have to select the indicator or strategy. I have added this indicator. Here, we generally select once per bar close. Then, in this text box, you have to paste that copied code. And then again come here, and copy the webhook URL from here. And in the notification section, just paste that URL. And just click on Create Alert. So whenever the alert is going to get triggered, it is going to come into the log section. And whenever it is going to get triggered, you will be able to see it into the PickMyTrade log section. Now we will learn about Add Account section. It allows you to specify multiple accounts in which you want to place trades in. One can be your sub-account, under your current Tradovate login, and another case would be, you having your friends or family members account. And let's say you have another Tradovate account, so you have to create a new PickMyTrade account and connect it to that other Tradovate login. Then you will get the Tradovate token. So click on Yes, and it will ask to add sub-accounts to the existing Tradovate login. So in first case, you just need to select the Tradovate login from the drop-down and quantity multiplier. Then you can click on Generate Alert. And that's how your alert is going to get generated. So just copy this code, go into TradingView, select the strategy, and paste the code here. Copy the webhook URL from here and paste it in the notification here. And just create the alert. So now we will see some advanced features in the Generate Alert. Once you go there, it shows the pyramid settings. So if in case you want, whenever buy comes, it should only close, whatever sell positions or open order present there. So for these things, select Yes. If you select No, then it is going to behave normally. But if you select Yes, it is going to square up the previous position only when there are opposite positions. And if there is a buy alert and you have a sell position, then it will get squared off.